All right, in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how you can share your knowledge with the world by building your very own massive open online course. Yep, a MOOC using the fantastic MOOCit platform.
But, before we get into all the nuts and bolts, let's just start with one simple question. Do you have a skill, a passion, or some expertise that you're just dying to share? Well, if that answer is yes, then you are absolutely in the right place.
So here's our game plan. We're going to walk through this whole creative journey in 5 clear steps. We'll start your first project, then add text and images, embed some cool media, create interactive tasks, and finally, we'll talk about getting your course certified. Sound good? Let's get started.
Okay, let's dive right in. The first step in any great project is getting that foundation just right. So let's get your first MOOC project set up on the platform.
Getting started is honestly as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. First, you'll head over to the site and switch it to Classic View. Trust me, it's the best spot for building your course. Then, give your course a great title, which creates the project template for you, and just hit Save. And boom, just like that, your canvas is ready to go.
So now that our project is all set up, it's time for the fun part, adding the core content. This is where we really start to bring your course to life with text and images.
First up, say hello to your new best friend, the basic toolbar. This gives you all the essential controls you're going to need. You can see the labels here, right? You've got FET for bold, cursive for italics, and all your options for inserting files and links. It's super simple and really effective for all your basic formatting.
Now, let's check out the advanced options for structuring your content. See here? You've got tools for creating Kapitelüberschriften, which are your chapter headings, adding numbered or bulleted lists, and even controlling the font sizes. This is really how you make your content look professional and make it super easy for your students to read.
You know what they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words, right? Well, when you go to add an image, this little dialog box gives you total control. You can upload something from your computer or even pull it directly from Wikimedia Commons. You can set the Datenverbreite, that's the file width, choose the Ausrichtung or alignment, and pick the format. It is all right here for you.
But hey, a great course is so much more than just text and images. Let's make your content truly dynamic by embedding what we call rich media, like videos and articles from other wikis.
I know. You might look at this and see a bunch of code, but I promise it's incredibly simple. To pop a video in from YouTube or Dailymotion, you just use this clean little snippet. All you do is tell up the video portal, paste in the link, and then you specify the size and alignment you want. That's literally it.
And this breaks that code down perfectly. You can see exactly what each part does. Video portal tells it the source, like YouTube. Then you've got the link itself, the Größe, or size in pixels, and the Ausrichtung, which sets where it sits on the page. This gives you complete control over how your video looks. Pretty cool, huh? And hey, why reinvent the wheel? You can pull in amazing content from the entire Wiki universe to make your course even richer. Grab detailed articles from Wikipedia, whole chapters from Wikibooks, or some inspiring quotes from Wikiquote. It's such a powerful way to add serious depth to your material.
A truly great course isn't just about throwing information at people. It's about making sure they get it. So now, let's create some interactive tasks to actually test your learners' knowledge.
So this is a really important concept to get, the difference between the front end and the back end. The front end, over on the left, that's the clean, interactive quiz your students actually see and use. The back end, on the right, that's the super simple text-based code that you write to create it. It's a really elegant system, and it's so easy to master.
And it doesn't stop there. Beyond the built-in tools, you can also embed quizzes and all sorts of tasks from other great sites, like learning apps. You do this with a standard bit of web code called an iframe. You literally just wrap the link you want in these tags, and that interactive element will pop right up inside your course.
Okay, so you've put in all this hard work creating amazing content and engaging tasks. There's just one final step, getting that official recognition. Let's talk about how you and your students can get certified for completing your course.
MOOCit actually offers 3 different paths to get that formal recognition. You can work with your own school to issue a certificate, you could apply for a mini MOOC certificate from the MOOCit experts, or you can really aim for the top and earn a premium MOOC certificate directly from their editorial team.
And that brings us to the end of our little explainer, which, when you think about it, is really a brand new beginning for you. You've got the tools, you have the roadmap, which leaves us with just one final and very exciting question for you to answer. What will your MOOC be about?